In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just getting started, having a secure and efficient way to manage your digital assets is crucial. Today we'll walk you through the fundamental steps for funding your Coinbase wallet quickly and easily, ensuring all your transactions go smoothly. To begin, ensure you have the Coinbase wallet app installed on your device. Open the app and you should see the home screen displaying your balance and other options available to you. Now, to receive funds into your Coinbase wallet, you'll want to tap on the Receive option. This is a crucial step as it allows you to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to fund. It's important to make sure you choose the correct cryptocurrency here, as sending funds to the wrong type of wallet can lead to complications or loss of funds. Once you've selected your cryptocurrency, you'll see your wallet address appear on the screen. You have two principal ways to get your wallet details to the sender. You can either copy your wallet address or share the QR code that's generated. This address is unique to your account and is like an email address for your cryptocurrency transactions. Ensure it's correct whenever giving it out. The next step involves initiating a transfer from another wallet or exchange to your Coinbase wallet address. This could be an external wallet you own, or perhaps a trusted exchange where you buy your crypto. For this, you'll need to paste the wallet address you just copied, or scan the QR code using the sending platform's transfer interface. Be meticulous during this process to avoid any errors that could lead to a loss. Now we come to waiting, which is a standard part of any blockchain transaction. Once you initiate a transfer, it must be confirmed on the blockchain. This may take some time, depending on network congestion and the cryptocurrency you're dealing with. You can monitor this confirmation process via your Coinbase wallet app. Rest assured, once confirmed, your funds will be available in your wallet. As an alternative to manually transferring funds from an external source, you have the option of using Coinbase Pay directly within the wallet. This feature streamlines the process, allowing you to add cryptocurrency to your wallet effortlessly and securely without the wait typically associated with traditional transfers. It's a handy tool for users looking to simplify their transactions. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will ensure that you can fund your Coinbase wallet efficiently and securely, keeping you up to date in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out for support or explore additional tutorials provided by Coinbase. Thank you for watching and happy trading.